We're back. It's that time of the year. It's campervan season. We've got some travel coming up, so let's go. In today's video, it's not just about the gear and the plans that we're doing. It's also about a solution to a problem that we've had for over 7 years.
So I'm so excited, we're going on a trip and we need to put all of this away. And Tom said to me not long ago that he said how to get rid of anything out of the van. Well, he can't remember what I took out of the van. So there's things that are not going to be going back in.
There's loads of things because we obviously we've took everything out, but now we've cleaned everything, we've gone through everything.
He doesn't know what I've got rid of.
Yeah, let's see if I can remember. Yeah, let's see if I can remember. Right, let's have a look.
I'm pretty sure you've all seen towels before, so just move them out of the way.
Food bags. Oh, can't forget my cup. There we go, and there's Brooke's cup.
Coffee!
Yes, what else is in here?
It's basically all of our food essential stuff, like plates, pots, pans, stuff like that. But we are going to be using the Kadak more this time because I really want to start using that because we always use the same thing, so I want to try the Kadak.
Well, anyway, we're getting everything out and then all this. Oh, God.
Can't forget the Ridge Monkey.
Yeah, Ridge Monkey essentials there.
Any ideas, Tom, what's missing?
Do you know what? One thing that I'll say is there was a lot more that we took out, but I have no idea what's missing. Just give me one item that's missing.
Wooden spoons.
No.
I've never used them in the 3 years.
We need the wooden spoons. Do you know what?
It's not coming in.
You shouldn't have told me that actually. Do you know what? Let's see on one of the next videos coming up if I can sneak the wooden spoons back. Bro, no, actually we do need them for the pots for stirring things.
You've never used them in 3 years.
Comments below, guys. Do I need to take the wooden spoons with us?
Stirring. So Tom's gone back in the house to get some stuff because I need to clean the drawer out. But the other stuff that I've taken out is quite a few because he's not going to see this till he edits it. But I took rid of the plastic tubs out of here. I got rid of more cutlery because we don't need it and we don't use it. I also got rid of these big thick sponge things that I've had in here for 3 years and he keeps saying, oh, we might need it, and we've never used it, so they're gone.
Not that that's particularly interesting, cleaning something like that, but I'm just showing you what we're doing.
What would have been interesting? What? If Tom hadn't missed this out when he actually cleaned the rest of the van.
Yeah.
Pause spoon.
Yeah, he's got a Ridge Monkey one as well, hasn't he, for his food? So
the drawer looks so much better, and no wooden spoons. So the bed's made, but I wanted new bedding, and Tom said no. Do you think I should get new bedding? Put it in the comments below if you think I should be allowed new bedding.
But we don't need new bedding.
No,
it's clean.
You tell them.
The bedding is clean.
Yes, but have you seen how thick this is? This is winter bedding.
Yeah, but we've got like blankets and things.
Put it in the comments below if you think I should be allowed new bedding, and if you all say yes, Tom's going to buy me new bedding.
Well.
So this is my bed. And
our bed.
Well, you're allowed in it occasionally, but
okay.
This is Tom's bed.
No, it's not. We're getting everything ready and things. This isn't like how things stay in that.
Say it to the camera. Say it to the camera.
Anyway, we're just getting everything ready and so. No, sometimes like we've got like this section here for like chilling.
No, sometimes stuff. Tom says I'm the messy one, but my bed, Tom's bed.
We've not gone on the trip yet. So we're going to be putting the food in tomorrow when we set off. We. That's what I just said.
Who puts the food in?
Brooke puts the food in. Brooke's going to be putting the food in, just quickly show if you've not seen before. We've got like all the cupboards and things, for storage. That's where we put our pots and pans. Brooke's just showing you in there with the cutlery and everything. And that's like plates and storage and things. So, yeah, and things like that. So, yeah, tomorrow, Brooke are going to be putting like the food in the van and everything. Obviously we need to put all the clothes in and things, so don't need to really show that. So I'm excited. Shall we talk about this problem that we've had for 7 years?
Not yet. We've got something else to tell them first.
So this year our original plans were we were going to go to Europe. Now for the past couple of years we have been to Europe. We've done like a big European road trip. Do you know what? Amazing. We love it when we go over there. There's so many different things to see and there's so many things that we still want to see. But with life and like personal things that are going on and like, you know, like that affect myself and affect Brooke, with like what's going on in our life at the moment, it's not possible for us to go to Europe. So we'll just leave it at that. Everybody in life, you know, has got like things that are going on in their personal life and things, you know, that affect obviously like day-to-day living and things. So okay, so what we've decided is, you know, we're still going to travel because Brooke has got time off, you know, because how long have you got? Have you got about 4 weeks?
4 weeks.
4 weeks, so, you know, we need to stay in the UK.
So we've decided
to
stay in the UK. I didn't realise you'd already said it.
Right. Oh, wait, big reveal. So
we are staying in
the UK.
No, you were supposed to time it. Right. And again. So we are staying in the UK.
Like Brooke said. Anyway, I don't even know if I'll leave that bit in. But anyway.
Being busy planning a route, and we are going to some places that we have never ever been before. So I'm really excited, and I've been getting into it, like really looking into places, haven't I? And I found some amazing places that we're going to go and check out, and we're going to take you with us. Yeah,
so where we're going?
Well, I can't tell them that yet. I don't want to give it all away.
Is that going to be in this video?
No, it's going to be in the next one.
Oh,
you're going to have to wait till the next video.
You're so YouTube, aren't you? But the good thing is about this trip, we are meeting up with some of our friends, and, you know, we're going to be doing a bit of a tour together. You know, there's going to be 1, 2, like 3, like different groups of people that we know that we're like meeting up with.
Maybe 4. Maybe a surprise person
maybe 4, because we're talking to them and so on. Right, can we talk about this problem that we've got? That's that for 7 years.
Wants to tell you this
so excited
okay,
to show you this.
Camera over to you.
So, picture the scene. We're in Scotland. We're wild camping. It's winter. It's night time. There's a group of us. We're all chilling by the beach. We're having a campervan fire. Amazing times. It's dark. It adds to the atmosphere. But you can't see anything.
Such a storyteller.
So you're picturing the scene, aren't you? And then we've all got our headlight torches on, and we turn them on so you know, so you can see and everything. Every time you turn around and face someone,
I'm blinded.
Yeah. You can't see anything. Do you know what, guys? For so long on so many campervan trips, we've looked at some type of like outdoor lighting solution. Now, a lot of like the lighting that we've looked at that's like, you know, like independent of anything, you know, like battery operated or anything, it's very difficult to find. Now, we found like lights before that like require like generators and things, you know, to work outside.
Or just take up so much power and you can't use it for a long period of time.
Yeah, like industrial lighting and things. It just doesn't like work. And we found that like your kind of like your tabletop lamps, you know,
it's
your battery
not bright enough.
It's not bright enough or anything. So for a long time, we've always like looked to like, you know, what could we do about this? Because when we was wild camping in Scotland that time, you know, that the you know, story that I just told you about and everything. I don't know why I changed my voice when I say that. But you know, like when we're there and you know, it's amazing. You know, some outdoor lighting like would be good, but difficult to actually find something that we want until now. Now, I just want to point out, this is not a paid sponsorship or anything.
No, it's not. We've actually got this because we've been looking for it, and it is perfect, and it's nothing to do with the sponsorship or anything along those lines.
Right. Do you want to get it, Brooke? Do you want to get it? So, we have found this outdoor light, and it's called an Augery camping light. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox it, and then I'm just going to like show you. But do you know what, guys? Seriously, this as a like solution to like the problems that we've had for outdoor lighting is fantastic, because we have took it out, we have looked at it. So basically what it is, I'll just show you like outside on here, it's a light that's on a tripod, but these lights, they have like different like bits that like fold up and things. Let's get it out.
Da, 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 da.
Right, so if we get that out first, Brooke, and like would like just show them. So basically, this is a light that's, you know, maybe you hold. This light has got, first of all, a magnetic base that, you know, and it is powerful, you know, that can stick onto things. And this is the light. It's got 3 separate lights, as you can see on there, and it's got a torch on top of here as well. Now, the good thing about this is, I'll just show you. We just pull this, it locks into position. Each move is like, no, it locks. It's not just like it goes where you put it. It's like it locks into position, and it goes all the way up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn it on. Power button there. Oh, ooh. Now that's very, very bright. I'll see if I can somehow. I put it. That's the dimmest it'll go on. Showing you this in real time, guys. So, like I said, this can obviously like light up, and then show you like this. Now, we've got a tripod here. I am going to get this out in a minute that I can so I can show you. But the good thing is, it also twists. So we can have the light shining in different directions.
So it doesn't have to point in anyone's faces. It could be tilted to adjust what you want to see.
So if you imagine, obviously when it's just on the tripod and like you've got it up, you can like adjust it. You can move it up and down. So you can have like different areas lit up. So if there's like a group of you, like that time when I was on the beach, and you can also like put it, so you got it like that, and obviously you can have it as a table lamp as well, because you put that on, but again, you can adjust it. Right, what we'll do now is...
One other thing.
Yeah, go on. It has got different
What else has this got?
So if I turn it off...
Go!
Oh yeah! There's a torch bit. So yeah, it's got like a torch, so that you can use that. And that's on the power button. You've got like two different kinds of light. You've got like the super bright light, and then you've got the warm light. So all you do is you press the power on, and then if you press it again, it's got that warm light, and then you can dim the warm light as well. And obviously it's got the strobe light, and then you can turn it back to
the white light.
To the white light. So I'll just show you again. So you just turn it on, press it again, and then it's got the warm light. Right, I'll turn this off. Oh, one other thing that I'll show you as well. I'll turn the torch off 1 minute. The lights tell you that the lights on there, that's like the battery level. Let's get people like that. Okay, so I'll just turn this off, and then what I'll do is I'll put these back into the position to lock it in. Like that. And the other thing, before I said it, you can like hook it on, like you can stick it onto things with the magnets. It's also got a hook as well, so you can actually hang it, obviously, and that's like very adjustable as well. Honestly, this company with this light, they've thought of everything, because it's not just a solid one. It can like adjust a little bit. Just that on its own, like, it shows they've thought about this. Right, what I'll do now.
Before you get to that though.
Oh yeah.
It's also a power bank.
Yes, it is. It's a power bank as well. So
you can also charge your phones and things up with it.
Yeah, you can it's got like the USB in there, and so yeah, you can use it as a power bank as well. I'm going to show you this outside in a minute, and then it's got all these different locking tabs.
So you can have it higher and higher as tall as you want.
Things. We're going to use this on this road trip that we're going to be doing again, because we are going to be doing like well camping and things, and this is exactly what we've been looking for. So, and
the good thing is, obviously, we got the awning, didn't we? Yeah, so that we can sit out at night, and this light will be perfect for us to sit out at night underneath the awning. Because guess what got delivered today? Our tie-down kit.
Yeah, the tie-down kit. I didn't realise that with an awning that a little bit of wind would become very unstable and things. So we've got a tie-down kit. So obviously we'll be taking that with us as well.
You've still got your head torch on your head.
Yeah, that's for like showing. Well, let's talk about the story.
Oh yeah, the storyteller.
Yeah. The van's packed. The fridge is full. This adventure starts now. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Till the next one, guys. It's going to be exciting. Bye for now.